What's up, everybody? Doing another BeamNG today. Today I'll be doing other scenarios. Not the ones that I did the first time, just different ones because there are a pretty good amount. So we're going to be chasing in this old-ass state police car that fast guy. Oh, shit. I did this last week. You guys seem to like it a lot. I got actually positive comments, so I'm going to do it again. Kind of enjoyed it. Plus, crashing cars into shit is just awesome. Oh, shit. Oh, God. It'd be good if I... This car drives like a fucking ton of bricks. Ah, it's gonna hurt. Well, that sucks. Restarting. I guess these would be easier if I actually knew how to drive, but, you know. That ain't gonna happen. Also, one of these days I should probably switch over to my steering wheel, but for now I'm just going to use my Xbox One controller. Because I finally found my Xbox One. Super awesome. Someone stole my name though. Sucks. Ugh. Oh, fuck! I failed because I wrecked the shit out of my car. So let's try that again. Oops. One of these days I'll remember to close Facebook before I start. But apparently not today. See if I can actually stop him, and then I'll see if I can do another scenario, because there are a fairly good amount. Some of them aren't cop cars, some of them are just other cars chasing other cars. So, you know. Oh, shit. Got him. Got him. He's done. Oops. Shit. Currently using arcade shifting mode. Use Q to change mode. What? I didn't stop him? What? I smashed him into a tree at like 70 miles an hour. How did he live? How did he live in his... How is he driving this well? Dude's got it. His car's got to be jacked up. I can't even see it. It's smoking, which means the radiator got fucked, but that's not that surprising. Give him a little shove. A little love tap. This thing didn't handle like a potato. I'd pit the bitch. Like right here. What? I failed? How did I fail? I can still drive. Kiss my ass. This actually might be the only one we do today. We shall see. Boy. Go. No, don't spin out. Come on. Let's get this bitch. Oh shit. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Very, very not good. A little love tap. Hoo-yah! Eat trees, bitch. Uh-oh, fuck. Ah, shit. Don't hit the rocks. No! Fuck. I can still see him. I really need to crack out the steering wheel, but if I do, I have a feeling I'm just gonna kick everything's ass. Speaking of kicking everything's ass, football is on behind me. What? Football's on behind me. Not to date the episode, but shocker, the Redskins are losing. Not that that's my team, but it's just funny. Okay, he's going left. I like a little gumball on the top of my damn car. Wee, wee. Oh, shit. Oh, where are you going? What? Okay. This is starting to get bullshitty. I may have to switch it because I don't know if this is a winnable one. I think this is one of those ones you have to get, like, fairly small amount of damage, which there's, like, 2 of those, and they are next to impossible. Let's see if I can catch his bit. Let's see if I can finally win this. Probably not, but you know. Come on, bitch. Come on, bitch. Ugh. What did I even do? Alright, one more try, and then I'm gonna fucking... Oops. I'm gonna change, totally change, Damn, words are hard. Totally change, fucking scenarios. There we go. Just gotta cuss. I guess my driver sneezed and I died or some shit. I don't know what the hell's happening. Chug-a-lugga, chug-a-lugga, chug-a-lugga. Come on. Huh! 0%. Fuck! Uh-oh. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Be okay, be okay, be okay. Good. Go, bitch. Go, bitch. Go, bitch. Ah, shit. I lost sight of him. That's not good. This bitch-ass man ran away. Looking for skid marks. Just like when I wash my underwear. Fuck rocks! Ooh, I saw him. I seen him. Oh, that's bad. Yep, dead. Yep, dead. One more try. I know I said that last time. We're gonna. This is a hard one. This isn't the soft one. Go. See if I can get this bitch. My hands are sweaty. That's how hard I'm trying right now. Run into a tree, you cocksucker! Oh! Shit! Pin him in, pin him in, pin him in! Car is too slow! Oh, fuel tank ruptured. That's I won! Suck it, I won! Even though he's still driving. Hooyah! I won! Okay, let me, scenarios. Okay. Let's go with this one. Go with the first East Coast chase. If it loads. There we go. Let's do this, bitch. I don't know what I'm gonna try to catch. There's already skid marks here. I didn't do it. Oh, shit. God damn, this thing is tail happy. Look, gumball. That's awesome. Oh, brakes. Lots of brakes. Nope. Okay. A little tap. God, he's got a little baby version of what I have. Okay. Shoved him into a tree. I think I got him. 2, 1. Suck it. First try. I think I'm gonna call it an episode there. Even though he's still driving away, but you know, whatever. I'll stop him. Blep. I think I'm gonna call it an episode there. I hope you guys enjoyed. Yeah, I like doing BeamNG. I might do 2 this week, so we'll see. Bye.